Hey everybody, welcome to another Sniffle Valve video. This one's a little bit different from most in that I'm introducing a new section on the Sniffle Valve site called Quick Tips. Now, these quick tips are little tidbits that I've been accumulating over the last while. I scour the forums for the various products and also in the Facebook groups and to come up with various little tidbits that help you uh, with your website with Generate Press, Elementor, or any of these. Um, I've got a number of them up now, and there will be more coming, hopefully on a daily basis. Here's one thing you need to consider right away before you try any of these is please read this disclaimer before implementing any of the code on the site. I've tested all these tidbits or code snippets and methods on local and live, and they work for me. However, your site may be configured a little bit differently and they may not work for you, or heaven forbid, they may break your site. So that's why I always recommend that you test it on a non-production site first, be either a local site or installation using XAMPP, MAMP, or WAMP, or any of the other local servers, and also to be extremely careful when copying and pasting codes, especially for PHP. CSS and HTML aren't quite that critical, but PHP will break your site if you miss one period or one comma or anything like that. So please be careful. And to sum up, there is no guarantee, right? Either express or implied. Use at your own risk for these things. And also on the tutorials as well, I've added this disclaimer. As I said, I've tested these out and they work for me. Hopefully, they're going to work for you. So, with that in mind, have a look around. I've got a few there now, some for Generate Press, Generate Press with Elementor, and Show Posts, and the rest will soon to follow. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to talk about now, and I hope you like these. And these will be coming a lot more frequently than the tutorials. Tutorials take a little bit more time to put together all the way, and they're for a more in-depth look at a certain method or way to do things. As I said, these are real quick tips. For an example, let's go take a look at one. Say Generate Press. Well, this one shows you how to set your own custom colors for the picker in Generate Press, right? So instead of entering the same values over and over again, you add this bit of PHP. Now be careful and be sure to test it to come up with your own custom color picker and Generate Press for the various elements. And these colors in this order, top to bottom, correspond to left to right in the color picker. So, and also big thanks and shout out to Tom Osborne, the developer of Generate Press, for coming up with this. And it's a really nice way to save yourself a whole lot of time doing the same thing over and over again. So, anyways, thank you very much, and I hope you will take a look, and we'll talk to you later, both here and on the tutorials. And don't be afraid to subscribe right here to the latest Generate Press. Oh, heavens forbid, got that on my mind. Sniffle valve information. Okay, so we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.